Okay, so where are we off to now?
We're just coming in to do a large cedar of Lebanon. This is, I think it used to be a big estate round here. Everybody wants to make more money than they make, but I suppose that I'd like to make enough where I've made a bit of a living. I'll just hide the house now. Well, we can edit that out anyway, Tobe, so...
Don't film the house, you say?
Well, just so any house name. I hate electric gates. You make enough to get by, but it'd be nice to be able to sort of afford the equipment you need to do the... There's so many bits of it as well. You know, trucks, trailers, chainsaws, mills. It's all very, very equipment. And also, nothing's ever seems to be guaranteed, you know. So, get the first look of him. And there she is.
Who took this down?
He's a guy called Andrew from Tree Menders took this down and told me about this. Oh, it's not quite as big as... It is big, but it's not enormous.
Yeah, you might want to start swing. No, keep going for a little bit.
Yeah, but if I swing round now.
Yeah, keep going this way for a little bit. Now you can start swinging around.
What sort of cedar? Cedar of Lebanon. And the reason it was coming down, it's probably a very old tree. I'm not sure how old it is. 10, 20. I mean, it is old. It's probably about, I reckon that's about 150 to 200 years old. He's a big one. You can sort of see, a bit worried about how big it is, but I'm sure we'll be okay.
How are you actually going to saw that up?
Yeah, hopefully that's the idea. The idea is we're going to try and mill it, which is mobile saw milling. So the idea is, with the owner, is that to get someone to come and saw it all into fibre is going to cost quite a lot anyway. So the idea with doing this is that the owner will get something for it. He'll get the tree dealt with, so he can carry on mowing his grass again. And the tree will actually go into timber to make something, you know, to go somewhere useful. Otherwise, there's loads of firewood. You can see the pile of firewood here already. Is it, you know, why turn on?